Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Walmart promo code is not working, first check that the code that you're entering is correct and is entered exactly as provided. After that, what you're going to do is make sure that there are no typing errors or extra spaces. Then confirm that the promo code has not expired. Some codes apply only to specific products or categories, so verify that your items qualify. Then check if there is minimum purchase requirement for the code to work. Also, make sure that you're signed in into your Walmart account as some promo codes are account specific. Then if the code still does not apply, try removing it instead and re-entering it carefully, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.